and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja. So in this video, what are we gonna do? We are going to solve this question where we are actually given these square roots. So if there is kind of this root and there is nothing written here, that means this is a square root. Otherwise, we write for cube root it is 3. Similarly, for fourth root it is 4, like that. Okay. So we have nothing written here, so that means we have just square root. What is the meaning of square root? Meaning of square root is something raised to power 1 by 2, right? So now here, this is square root of 8100. Okay, what is 8100? 8100, it is actually 90 square, right? And then here we have under root 71 whole square and then minus 66 square is inside. Now we will understand the meaning of these terms. Okay. Suppose we have here under root 91 square, right? 90 square. So what does this mean actually? This means 90 square raised to power 1 by 2, right? So 90 raised to power 2 times 1 by 2. This is actually what? 90. So similarly, if we have square and in the under root, or we have, suppose we have this thing under root of 71 whole square. What does this mean? This means 71 raised to power 1 by 2 raised to power 2. And we know this trick that a raised to power m raised to power n is actually a raised to power mn, right? So this is 71 raised to power 1 by 2 times 2. This is actually 71. So what do we get here? This one is 90, right? And this one is 71 minus, what is this? This is 66. 66 square raised to power 1 by 2. What does this mean? So this means this is 66 because the square root and the power will cancel, right? So here this is 90 and what is 70? This is 5. So what is our answer? 18. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.